Suppose you have a two class attendance seats. One is from Monday, another from Tuesday. Now do you want students from both days, only common students, or students who came only on Monday? That exactly what SQL set operators do. So we will learn this. Set operators combine the result of two or more select statement into one result. Think of them as mathematical sets. Each select statement must have like a same number of column, same data type, same column order. Am I right?
Yes.
So I can say what is the mean here, the combined data or operator
Yes.
combine the result of two or more statement.
Yes.
So what are statements here? We will get same number of column
Yeah.
of column. Am I right? Or what we
Yes.
get? We can get same data type.
Yes.
And same column order. Orders, right? So what is the mean here? I want to tell you same count, same type, same order. Am I right? So what is the mean here? Same count, same type, same order.
Yes.
Same count, type and order. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's see. I'm going to get a data set. Let's see first data, like I want like employees. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, create table employees 2024 or 24. Let's 2024. I can make it. Let's see 2024 like this. Am I right? And
Right.
I need here, what did I need? I need here the more table. Table name is, let's see, 2025. So we have a successfully created two table. What table? Let's see, select star from employees 24, or if I copy this or write again employees 25. So you can see whatever we have got. So in the first your question was, why did you remove in second table Aman and Ravi? Because I want here some new names, some common names in the table, so I can show you how to we get common, okay, or all the things. That's why we are learning in set operators. That's I told you in earlier, this is a combined the result of two or more statements. That's we are going to do this here practically. How many types set operators? Am I right? The first is a union set operators. Am I right?
Yes.
And then we have a union all. Then we have another one, intersect. Okay, then we have a accept. Okay, so now we have to understand, we have to learn these four. Okay, so what is the mean union? We have to understand union. Let's see.
Yes.
Union means, let's see what is the union here. Learn first union. What is the union? Union means combines both table and remove duplicate. Combine both tables and remove duplicates. Let's see only this, right? How to now? So what does the mean here? We have a truth table. If any duplicate data will be removed automatically. Let's see how can we do this. I'm going to copy this, okay, and using union. How to use union? Nothing else, just we have to write union between both table. Union, am I right? So you can
Yes.
see here, I'm going to first, okay, let's see, we have already copied here, so better you understand this now. So here means we have a duplicate value. What a duplicate value? Is a Neha Priya in a board table.
So it's not on my screen that you write.
You can't see my screen?
No, I can see your screen, but it is stopped there only.
No, it's fine.
No, sir. So did you already write select star union? Like,
Yes,
but I
yes,
did not,
I have a
I
right
did
select
not-
star from union. Okay, now I'm just going to execute and let me know it's working or not. Is it working?
I cannot see it, sir.
So result here you can see employee ID and name Aman, Ravi, Neha, Priya, Mohit Karan. Have you seen
Yes, now I can
have you seen
see.
this? No.
Now I can see.
You can see, right? That's fine. So it means our skill is working. So what is the mean here? You can see here is a Neha Priya in a board table. So
Yeah.
it means in union all it took one time Neha Priya. Otherwise it took two times Neha Priya, Neha Priya.
Yeah.
This means remove duplicate value and one times is appear in the table. So it means combine both table here,
Yes.
right? So you can see 1,
Right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. This is employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only.
Yeah.
Right? So what is the mean here? Combine both tables and removes duplicate values. That's simple. Understood this? So what is the mean here? I can say here, I can say you understand union together plus no duplicate, together plus no duplicate. Am I right? So what is it together? Together means from both table they take the data and duplicate data will remove. That's simple. As I told
Okay.
you, we have another union all. What is a union all? Let's see. We have to understand union all. So you understand what about the union? Am I right?
Yeah.
That's great. It is easy. It's a very easy. So union else means combines everything. Means
Sir, where it is together plus no duplicate, union all.
yeah, right. Union all. Now not.
But you
No. This is not a union all. This is in a union only. Union all. I'm going to start from here. From here.
but union together plus no duplicate. But we just learned that
Let's see. I will
combine both
I
tables and
will write
remove
here. I
duplicate
will write
value.
here. I will write. That's simple. Combine both tables, remove duplicate value. It's with no duplicate value. No duplicate values.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Understood? I am combining both, but remove
Yes, yes.
duplicate value. That's simple. Here combine
Yes, yes.
everything from both table, including duplicate values. Okay, got it my point?
Yeah.
Let's see
Yes.
what we have to use. I'm going to make here copy and then paste and then understand. And union all, I make union all. Am I right?
Yeah.
Whatever, better to write this so you can understand. So what is the means here? You can see in union all we have a Neha Priya one time only. In a union, in only union I'm talking about it, not. And now I'm executing union all, then let's see what we will do. So Neha Priya one time, again Neha Priya one time. So two times Neha Priya in this. So I have explained here union all everything means union all means everything. means combine everything from both tables including duplicate value. Just simple. Now
Yeah.
I give you some difference. What is the difference between union and union all? Simply I can say remove duplicates.
Yes.
Remove duplicate. Okay, and I can see keep duplicates here.
Right.
Keep keeps duplicate here. Okay, and
Yeah.
secondly I can say slightly slower. This is a slightly slower, and then slightly faster. I can say.
Right, sir.
Now we have, as I told you, I have given the difference. We have two more, like a intersect. What is the intersect? What is the accept? We have to understand. We have to learn this.
Right, sir.
Okay, what is the intersect? Return only common rows. Simple. Intersect means return only common rows from both tables. Am I right? So we have a same.
Yeah.
We can copy this and write intersects. Let's
Right, sir.
intersects. If I run this or execute this, then what is the mean common? In a board table, we have a common Neha and Priya. Am I right?
Yes.
Told you. Remember this? I can give you example. Another example. Let's see. You can. I'm going to remove this intersect from this and then executing board table. And then
Yeah.
you can see in the first table 2024 we have a Neha Priya 34. And a second
Yes.
table we have a Neha Priya 34. What is mean? Neha and Priya are common. So intersect
Yeah.
is written only common rows from both table.
Yeah.
Got it? Nothing else.
Yes, sir. No.
So what is the mean intersect? Only intersect means only common data. I can write here the common data. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, accept. What is the mean accept? Accept, you understand? You always say accept
Yes.
that thing, accept that thing. What does it mean? Returns row from the first query that are not in second query.
Okay.
Simple. I can say return rows from the first query. Return rows from first query that are not in the second query. Can you write this? So let's.
Yeah.
I can make the same here, copy and then paste, and write here accept. Accept. I copy and paste. Let's accept as well. Alright. And if I execute it, then what is the mean here? So I will execute it both. Then you will get some idea. Let's see. I'm going to execute both. So you can see in a first table that I have already made row from first query that are not in second query. Ravi is in first table.
Yeah.
If you see in second table, Aman Ravi are not in second table.
Yes.
So in accept we are getting the result Aman and Ravi.
Yes.
Got it?
Right, sir.
So what I'm going to mention here, I'm going to mention first minus second. First minus second. What does it mean? First minus second. Same. We will get first, and minus means we will not print it or executing or return value from second table. That's me. Okay. And all is everything including duplicate, intersects, comma,
Yeah.